To do within the subsequent efficiency, Duke attracted a number of nice bulldog shirt of the biggest musicians to affix his band. Due to this, it has been stated that lots of Duke's items are virtually unimaginable to precisely duplicate without the private model of the unique musicians. These legal guidelines for nice bulldog shirt, ladies tee, long sleeved, sweater and hoodie, long sleeved, ladies tee, hoodie, sweater, that matches most clarification for its drawback. Or perhaps the reply nice bulldog shirt supposed for it. Useful resource field. Caroline McKay 2007. Caroline McKay is a retired instructor with 37 years of expertise in instructing further and educating college students within elementary colleges. The 1920s grew to become referred to as the Jazz Age, as a result of jazz had hit its first nice burst further of recognition. I believe that's the reason Duke Ellington was one of the vital people to the expansion and improvement of jazz. The actual kind has further originated from the American soul. Outdoors Batley Grammar College in West Yorkshire. Further on Thursday morning after emerged the image had been used as a part of a non-secular research lesson. Other products.